Hello. If you've logged into NowCerts and you're given this screen here, the subscription screen, one of a couple things could have happened. Either you were in a trial and your trial has expired and the system is asking you to go ahead and to subscribe to NowCerts. You could be on an annual subscription and your annual subscription has run out and it's asking you to subscribe. Or the third would be to, if you're a current monthly subscriber to NowCerts, and perhaps we had an issue with the credit card on file, it was trying to be charged after so many times, it will cancel out and cancel your account. So if you come here, it's very easy to resubscribe with your credit card. The first thing you just need to do is just review the number of agents that you have. If you notice here, I've got 10 here, but it says number of active agents for the moment is 0. So I could drop this to 0, which would change the amount of the monthly fee. I can select or unselect carrier downloads depending on whether I have carrier downloads or not. The one thing you cannot do is if you have 5 active agents and you say you want 4, you're not going to be able to subscribe that way. You'll have to go up into your agency menu, click on agents, and then remove the access to the agent that you don't want to have access for. So here I'm going to put this back to 10. And then what you can do is click subscribe with credit card. And then you get this screen through Stripe and you click subscribe. You put in your email address, your credit card number, your expiration date and your CVC code, and you click subscribe. Now once you do that and you subscribe, if your credit card goes through in its process, you will have an active subscription immediately. If not, you're going to have to either contact us through our phone or through our website or chat feature on our website, email, or call us on the phone. Our phone number is 888-586-4792. You can use extension 4 for all other support, or you can email us at support@nowcerts.com. Thank you. Have a great day.